Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This end of day report is for trading on Tuesday, August the 22nd, 2017. Jumping right into the thick of things. Silver is caught, doesn't know what it wants to do. We're just range bound, narrow range days, inside days, and momentum is absolutely flat here. Flat. Nothing's happening. But, excuse me, we are a bullish Takumo cloud, trading top side of the cloud, but the market isn't going anywhere. So it's kind of flatline right now, trying to decide where it's going to go from here. We're trending back here. We trended even briefly here. Trended briefly here. Now we're just wide range bound flatline trading at the moment. Nothing to really see here or talk about just yet. The week is still young. Looking at gold, gold is similar. We're flatline too right now. All right, we're trading within a range also. All right, top side, bottom side, going nowhere. We tried to trend here, tried to trend here. Market's not doing anything. No conviction yet. Really struggling around the 1300 level. We'll see what we can do with this close, but the longer we stay up here like this, fooling around, the more they're going to see blood in the water, and we could turn down from here. So we're watching it, folks. Taking a look at your Dow. Right now, you got strength, but weakness. All you did was come up to the trend line of the downtrend channel, and now we could drop precipitously from here because that's all you did. You haven't done anything yet. You haven't broken the channel. All you did was trade the top side of the channel. Yeah, I know we got this coming up here, but I think we might come back down here first and be even in danger of even cutting below this if there's some kind of event or something, or if there's a cascading effect, self-fulfilling prophecy. Even though I like the rampage, we could not make it. I don't know. There's just some weirdness going on right now. We got crash alerts for the week. Let's see if they manifest themselves. It's still early yet. This right here is Tuesday. This right here was Monday. All right. All we did was retrace from this move. That's all we did was retrace the move so far. All right. I think we're gonna fail here, folks. I'm almost willing to bet it's probably gonna fall. We got this trend line momentum right here, and it's at 21,822. I don't know. I can only go by what I see, folks. So I'm sounding the alarms on the stock indexes right now. NASDAQ, pretty much the same thing, a lot messier on the chart. Mad range boundness within this, but still a downward sloping channel. Still. All right. Downward sloping channel. Show you what I mean. Time to get the pen out. All right. So you got a downward sloping channel right here. All right. Downward sloping channel, folks. All right. Okay. Yes, I know you got rampage right here. Got some rampage, but you also got a timeline right here. And we're right on it. We're right on it. Are we going to slip into this vortex? Or can it muster up and break this channel? That's the question. All right? That is the question. It's messy all up in here, but I don't know. I don't know, folks. This is some interesting charts that we're looking at right here. Very interesting charts. All right, so in the Bitcoinage space, GBTC, all right, up $18.75 on the day. Okay, here's where we are. You filled this gap here, but you ain't touched this one yet. And we're starting to slope down. All right. So this is what we look like on the coinage. Here we go. Boom. And boom. All right. Really, that's kind of more like this. But we're in the channel. All right. It's going to have to break top side of the channel. I don't think it's going to be able to do that. Now, as we speak, your Bitcoin has been flirting with the $4,000 level most of the day. It did get down to 3,610. So it dropped a few $100 and then rallied back a few $100. So the volatility has been strong. So we ran down to 3610, then ran back up. So we've traded both sides of the range in the coinage, just so you can get an idea of that. All right, moving right along. Let's take a look at the good old dollar index. All right, here's your dollar index. And you can see here, it ran. Now it's starting to fall back a little bit. Is it going to fall off the cliff, or is it going to try to stage a rally? This is a good one to see. We're either going to break 92 or we're going to break 94. One of these is going somewhere. Downtrend channel, still intact, per se. All right, per se. Here's what it looks like. That's why you need the algorithms, because you can only see but so much by staring at the chart. All right. It's a wide thing here. All right. And technically, it was all the way down to here, like this. Then you broke the joint up here. So you're kind of looking like this now. All right. Tic-tac-toe, 3 in a row. All right. So you're here, right here in this box now. Is it going to break down into this box next, or we're going to try to break back up in here into this box here? So we're going to either go here or here. All right, that's where we're at right now. That's your trajectory. Tic-tac-toe, 3 in a row. All right, let's move right along. Let's take a look at your mighty bond. The bonds ain't going nowhere. They're holding at the 155 level. That is powerful. Look at that up sloping. We're above topside Kumo cloud now. The bonds are just moving, folks. The bonds are moving. I think they want to keep running. 160 is my initial target still on these bonds. We'll be watching just in case it doesn't. In case they roll over, we'll be there to catch that too. Let's take a look at your oil. Oil has been weak for the most part. And let's see if we're going to change anything in that. Oh, come on. I got fat fingers and you're messing up my keys. Okay, here we go. Here's your oil. All over the place. Rain up here. Long period of sidewaysness. Drop. Now we'll run up. Now we're trying to sidewaysness. Who knows? It has no direction. Yeah, you're bullish. The Kumo cloud, but you're flatlined on the momentum. Hasn't chosen a direction yet. Who knows at this point where it's going to go? Just something we got to watch and see. Now, for those of you who missed the Tuesday Terror Dome with V, the Guerrilla Economist on the Rogue Money Show, we talked about quite a few things. So if you missed it, you're going to want to peep it. All right. You can go directly to his YouTube channel and peep it, or you can look in my my playlist. It's there. My 2017 interviews are there. So multiple ways to view. In addition to that, we talked about what no one else is talking about. such as I encouraged and warned people back going all the way back to 2011 that Charlottesville, the city of Charlottesville, is an Agenda 21 city. All right. So you can't ignore that. All right. It's an Agenda 21 city. Now, surrounding areas such as like Orange and things like that, they are not. But Charlottesville is. So it is no surprise that George Soros and friends staged their staged riot here in Charlottesville. All right. So it is what it is, folks. I just want to let you know that in case you didn't know that. So it's not a surprise that these manufactured civil unrest, manufactured race wars, and riots are happening now. And yes, they are manufactured. You have nefarious organizations fanning these flames of something that does not exist. All right, it's enough problems in the world without having to manufacture problems. But that's not enough for the globalists. They have to have civil unrest so they can come in and smash down the hammer. Do not fall for it, folks. Do not fall for the fake divide and conquer and stuff, please. So far, we've been falling prey to this. People have become short sighted and of little memory. You don't remember when you were warned about manufactured crises to cause civil unrest, because for the most part, the people are not at unrest. They're not civilly unrest. People are chilling, going about their day, living their lives. They don't have time to do all that. So you create these organizations to go and protest on behalf of the people to make it seem and look like the people are unruly and bored and unrest. They're not at a state of unrest. These are organizations. If George Soros didn't create these organizations and Black Lives Matter and Antifa and Anifa, whatever you call it, and all these other foolish organizations, then you wouldn't have what you see happening now. So what the people should do is totally ignore them. The next time they do a protest thing, ignore them. All right, they're angry supposedly over the most stupid stuff. You're arguing over statues and monuments. Who cares? All right, I'm just saying, wake up, people. Don't become victims. Don't get played because you're getting played. All right. So just want to throw that out there. Don't let the globalists trick you into this. Don't buy into it. All right. And with that being said, remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can, give nothing back to these greedy central banksters. And remember, pulsewavetrading.com. Come learn how to navigate these waters. Peace.